Thank you so much again. Just to say thank you to the presenters and just an amazing first day as always. So we are very very grateful. I just think again this is not the end, as I think Lucia has said that, Catherine has said that. Please continue to have conversations and reach out to people in the forum. If you go into the first page, you will find opportunities to talk to people. And I think that is quite important. If we were in Brazil, and we still wish we were in Brazil, but we're not. If we're in Brazil, we will be doing this, face to face and talking to you and, experiencing, yeah, things in real life. So we want to make it as real as possible. I think it's also important for us to think about projects we can work on. Just speaking to Maria and Megan and Marianne, just amazing things that we can, develop. So I think we should start thinking about how we can work together and collaborate in solidarity. That's a lovely phrase on these kinds of things. So I want to ask Lucia or the mentors, so Fabiola, Eliza, Gary, and Catherine, if there's anything else you want to discuss before we wrap up for the day. Or if anybody from the audience wants to ask a question, raise something pertinent before we go. No comments. Catherine? Okay, yes.
Hello. Yes. Hello. I only wanted just to add, it was so important listening today. I know I'm speaking tomorrow. I just wanted to say that it's really been important for me because I'm speaking tomorrow, and it's made me think I want to talk about additional things than maybe what are on the slides that I've submitted. So I'm just very conscious of hoping I have a bit of that flexibility to be able to relate to what's been discussed today in what I've prepared for tomorrow. So I think because it's been so important, and it's about these local realities and trying to make sense of what I want to share tomorrow. So it was just a request, please, that you'll be able to follow me tomorrow if I go off my slides a little that I've already sent. that was the point. I hope that's okay.
I want to say thank you to the translators. You have done an amazing job. So well done to both of you for switching so nicely and seamlessly. Thank you so much for that. Thank you to everybody who is contributing in the chat. Please don't stop. The forum is open for you to continue. If you want to put any artifact of a drawing, a blog, or link to anything, please do that or send a message to the 2tvworkshop.com email that you got. Massive thank you to Isadora and Feeling. Thank you so much for organizing this and doing so well with it as well. So that's one day down and two more exciting days to go. You need to listen to the rest of the videos. You don't want to miss them. So yes, so please, let's be on time tomorrow. And we will try and be on time and finish on time as well. Thank you so much, everybody. Very good. Thank you.